An NOK is a result status which stands for not okay and simply means that something in your process has not gone according to plan. Today's tightening systems are very advanced in their technology. You can monitor different parameters to identify issues in the tightening. If there are any issues, the tightening is flagged as a not okay tightening by the system. This is good on the one hand, since there is an instant validation of your quality. On the other hand, it causes additional effort and rework or fixing the tightening, which can be seen as additional costs. Well, looking at a not okay tightening from a production point of view, it is a disruption of the production process, which requires additional work to fix the tightening. Fixing the not okay can often be done in the production line by the operator, but in many cases, the unit has to go through a separate rework, repair or off-track area. There are many different names for this. In addition, in some cases, the unit cannot even be repaired, which means it has to be scrapped. Now, if you look at this, you notice that in any case, fixing a not okay is additional effort, which means additional time, which means additional costs. On top of that, there is the cost of potential scrapping, lost production time, and not to forget the frustration a not okay is for the operator when the red light goes off. That is why it is so important to be aware of not okay tightenings, and actions are in place to minimize those without compromising the quality. Very important. There are big cost savings associated with this. Well, first you need to be aware of where you're currently having your issues. Then you need to understand the root cause of the issue. Sounds simple, but it's not. NOKs are caused by many reasons, such as material, the tool itself, or the operator. Based on the root cause, you decide what to do to improve the situation. Of course, some competence is also required for the optimization to reduce the not okays without compromising the quality. The most effective way is to fight the problem in an emerging stage, but it is also super important to optimize applications where you already have high numbers of not okays happening. We have a solution to support you in both. Ultra Optimize proactively monitors your production and identifies issues for you. Ultra also provides insights about the root cause and gives you recommendations on how to solve the problem, smart, automated, and in real time. This helps you to create major cost savings in your production. As indicated before, real-time notifications significantly reduce reaction times. Imagine being notified about an issue while it is still on the rise. You can take action immediately and prevent the issue from growing and causing costs for your production. For me, the value is crystal clear. Reduce reaction times, create cost savings. Well, not really. The tightening system can only detect a not okay based on your configuration of the program. Now, we see that major influencing factors on the quality of a tightening, such as the materials, do change over time. This might require an adjustment in your program, so it might be that in some of your OK tightenings, they are actually not okay based on some changes in the material or the tool itself. Ultra Optimize supports you in identifying these kind of changes and allows you to react quickly on trends within your OK tightenings. This is an extra early warning system for your quality, but also for your productivity. Therefore, it is of great value to have a proactive monitoring system like Ultra in place to have this kind of visibility. This allows you to take action immediately when things are changing in your production. Check out our videos to find out more about Ultra.